Alright, so I'm in this one. Basically, I like everything except the detail that S&P 500 did not inverse the same fair value gap. What I like about the setup is that 50 minutes just absolutely dumped towards the downside. 2 minutes has retested this mini gap, fair value gap, and then just completely inverse towards the downside. So very clean. Let's just see what is gonna happen. I'm gonna go break even around 50%. It's just gonna be here. Yeah, simple as that. Let's see. Okay, we are back at break even. I'm about to go break even very soon. Also, the ES is gonna tap into a new fair value gap. That's also gonna be my break even point, which is gonna happen at the same time as if we get this 50% of the TP. Okay, I'm ready. Stop loss at break even. Now just waiting for us to hit the TP. I'm gonna actually place the TP right here. Bye. So let's see if we're gonna get it. And there it is, full TP. Very nice. I'm happy with the position. Why did I take it? Honestly, let me show you guys. So hourly just closed. Looks insanely bearish. So the first one looks bearish, then we pull back to the upside like this, and then just drop back to the downside for this closure towards the downside. Then if we go to the 15-minute time frame, we try to go to the upside pretty strongly, but this candle just absolutely dropped. I could have taken this 3-minute up here. I didn't want to because the 15-minute actually closed so strong to the upside like this, so I just waited off with the shorts. And then when I saw this actual closure right here, I absolutely just loved the second setup that we had, which was a 2-minute setup all the way down here at the bottom of the range, because I knew if we inverse this, especially with this confluence where we just basically came to the upside, retested the fair value gap, just dumped, that is just so beautiful. So with all those confluences, this is just a very beautiful trade. Also on the 4-hour time frame and on the hourly time frame, we have these two lows right here. So you guys, so the second trade is on. What I like about this trade is the hourly closure. I mean, not the closure, but you can see the reject from the downside, and it's 7 minutes until the closure, and then just the huge 5-minute candle to the upside. Was a little bit late to enter like few I haven't got a better entry than I should if I entered it right away on the 5-minute, but I just didn't see it the same second it closed, so that's good. And for right now, it's floating pretty nicely. As you can see, I went break even here for a reason, because I don't want to see this kind of low resistance liquidity just continuing to stack up and basically reject the market to the downside. And also it's about 0.5 risk to reward, which are my rules for the model. So let's wait and see what the market is gonna give us. Okay, but I'm pretty sure we are going to get some kind of rebalance. I mean, we already did, but hopefully we get the TP before we get some kind of rebalance to then continue moving back to the upside. Can't be sure in that, but let's see. Okay, so are we going to reject from this fair value gap, or gonna get stopped out? Okay, so for right now we just respected it absolutely insanely. So let's see what is gonna happen. By the way, this was the first trade. You guys saw it like a minute ago. Let's see. If this hits, this is just gonna be the second day with 2 wins in a row, and it's just gonna be huge month December. Like the December is the worst price action ever, and I'm just smashing through it. For today, when I saw this in the beginning of the session, I was just kind of sad, but then we just had bam bam to the upside. So off of there, session started moving pretty nicely. Okay, so let's see. Gotta pop the ES right here. Okay. I might even take my TP right here on this high if the market just doesn't blast through it, honestly, because we are tapping into the 5-minute 50-minute BPR and the 5-minute fair value gap that was actually never retested. Like it was retested right here but never swept, and I honestly don't want to risk 0.2 risk to reward for the whole position. My chart is a mess. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that there. Okay, so we're about to sweep it. Let's see how the reaction is. If it don't just blast through it, I'm just gonna be out of the trade. Okay. Yeah, that will be decent, like 0.8 risk to reward. Yep, I'm out right there. A 0.9, I would say 85 risk to reward, something like this. I feel like this is it for today. It's 11:58. It was the last macro for me, so I hope you guys liked today's live session. We didn't have anything in the beginning of the session, but later on we had 2 banger trades. Yeah, that's it basically. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.